If you are a trader who is still losing money trading the markets the wrong way, then do not miss this video. Hey traders, welcome to We Trade Waves weekly Forex forecast. Guys, last week it was spot on as usual, especially for the XAUUSD dollar, pound dollar, and gold. It was amazing. Those of you are new, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, tip, or move, and make sure to keep watching till the end. Starting with this one, last week I said to you guys, we're expecting DXY to fall, and that's exactly what the market have done. And before that, if you remember, I said to you here, market will be giving us this drop, this up wave, and then this fall. All of this, guys, was covered on our YouTube channel anyway. You can check it by yourself here. So you go to this one, this is the Discord, this is our website. All our official links are in the description under this video and in the first comment as well. And our website, it's wetraves.com. You can check it if you'd like to join us and learn from us. So for this one, back to our YouTube channel, this is the official YouTube channel. If you scroll down, you can find all the videos here. So check these videos to know actually what you forecasted before actually the past few weeks regarding the DXY and regarding all the pairs here. So for this one, again, I said to you drop, up, drop, and last week I said to you guys we are expecting this to fall more, and that's exactly what the market have done. Corrective structure drop, a big corrective structure, another drop. So this was great. If you made money, let me know in the comment section, and if you remember this forecast, give us thumbs up and leave a comment. Perfect, Alan. What's next after this? After that, guys, I'm expecting market to continue to the downside. So corrective structure here, one more fall, and then a big corrective structure to start before another drop. All of this, guys, is part of the structure, part of the market makers framework, and all of this will be covered inside for WTW Pro members. Guys, what happened last week is very important, and all of this will be covered anyway by T tomorrow during the Sunday session for WTW Pro members. Those of you who don't know about our program, you just go to the website again here, wetraves.com, which is this one, and then you watch this video, or just to keep watching till the end, I'll show this video at the end of this forecast. Okay, so check this one just to know about our program, and you can scroll down and check every single page or what we cover inside WTW Pro. All right, so you can check this by yourself after the video. Back to this one, I hope this is clear regarding the XY, guys. Okay, if you want to buy this, it's up to you, but again, this will be corrective structure drop and then another up wave to start, and after this complete corrective structure, most probably we'll get another drop before the next wave. All of this will be covered step by step, wave by wave, on a daily basis inside WTW Pro membership. If you want to check that, you can, again, description and the first comment, all the links are inside. So EUR exactly the same thing. I said to you last week, guys, we are expecting this to go to the upside. After this up wave, corrective structure up, and that's exactly what the market have done. And proof for that, of course, if you go to this one here, this was, by the way, last week's video, and if you check this one here, this was posted 6 days ago. All right, again, this was EUR, and I said to you corrective structure up after this up wave, and that's exactly what the market have done. If you can see here, we've got this up wave, we've got this corrective structure, and then all the way up. Our members, they made a lot of money trading this up wave. Why? Because they know how to trade and they have the system. When we are right, we maximize profits, and when we are wrong, we cut the loss. That's actually the system. We have all the strategies. You can learn everything inside WTW Pro. If you want to know the details, the first comment and the description. Okay, so for this one, what's next? And after this up wave, I'm still expecting, guys, EUR to go to the upside after this corrective structure, one push up, and then a big corrective structure to start the downside. All of this will be step by step, wave by wave, and if you know how to trade this up wave, you can make a lot of money, and if you know how to sell this, you can make a lot of money as well. This is what we can see next. Again, for those of you actually are looking just for the short term, corrective structure up first before any next structure. Guys, what happened last week? I would say, like, in the past few days, T will explain you this tomorrow during the Sunday session, and it will be very, very important because we might be having a shift in the structures and the gold and the Bitcoin and the US30. All of this is based on what they have done in US. Again, I don't want to explain the details here. This will be shared tomorrow during the Sunday session, and it will be very, very important topic to know about at the start of the Sunday session. Those of you who want to know more about the Sunday sessions, it's actually the private session that will be conducted for WTW Pro members every Sunday at 12 p.m. UK time. Do not miss them. If you'd like to join, only actually one explanation, guys, can actually change everything for you. And again, what happened last week, it might change the structure of the markets. Do not miss it. Follow us on the social media platforms, Instagram, Telegram, the official links again in the description, just to know more about actually what we'll cover tomorrow during the private session that will be for WTW Pro members. Again, it's the Sunday session, guys, that is conducted usually every Sunday at 12 p.m. UK time by T. Do not miss it. I'm telling you from now, guys. Okay, so for $, I hope this is clear. Pound dollar, again, it was great to the upside. That's the before one more time just to show you. This was pound dollar again last week, as you can see, corrective structure up. This is before and that's the after. Corrective structure all the way up after this one, right? All the way up. You must have made money, guys, after this corrective structure because this was a great buy for weighted waivers. Anyway, after this up wave, what's next, Alan? Corrective structure, warrant push up. This is an uptrend basically here, guys, and any corrective structure is a buy opportunity until this trend will be ending to start a big corrective structure. All of this again will be covered internally, step by step, wave by wave, but just for you, corrective structure on push up is what we can see next week. All right. Gold, it was amazing. I hope, guys, you made money trading this one. For our members, they made a lot of money trading this up wave because this was a crazy expanding flat for us. We have spotted the structure. We know like market will go to the upside. It will give us a pullback and then this up wave. Any proof for this, Alan? Of course, back to this one again. Back to last week's forecast. Look at this one 6 days ago, right? So market went to the upside, give us a expanding flat, and I said to you, pull back and then this up wave. That's exactly what the market have done. Pull back and then this up wave. And in this move, guys, our members made a lot of money. And proof for this, Alan, of course, back to this one again, just to show you the proof. This is the Discord community, is actually the global trading community that you will get access to as soon as you join WTW Pro. Again, guys, you can actually keep wasting time and money. You can gamble the next wave. You can try more than one system. It's up to you. But do not waste more time and money. If you are serious about trading, join the right people, join the right community, and then you can make money for the end of your life. All you have to do is just to learn how to trade correctly from the right people. And we are the right mentors regarding this one as well. Okay. So for this, if you check this one, this success story, look at this just at the end of the success stories. This was August 22nd, just to show you. And look at this one. This was VJ anyway, going to the upside. If I scroll up, look at this Salahuddin actually making good profits with this as well to the upside. All the way to Salahuddin again, VJ one more time. And look at James. This actually regarding these euro dollar, pound dollar, dollar yen, New Zealand dollar, all of them, they're actually making money. Okay. Again, all the way up to PM. Look at this. This was actually the profits. And this was again 9K profits into trading gold. And this was when? August 20. So all this, guys, it was just in the past few days at weighted waves. Salahuddin one more time, all the way down like up to VJ. And then again, if I scroll up, guys, this success story channel, it will never end because our members are making money, are making progress, and every single time. Okay, so that's regarding actually the gold. Our members made money here. What's next, Alan? Corrective structure, one push up will be coming for gold, guys, before any next move. This is what we can see. Again, why gold went to the upside, why Bitcoin, why all of this actually moved this way. All of this will be covered tomorrow at the start of the Sunday session. The topic is very, very important to know, guys. It's economic topic, what happened in US. You must follow that just to know and learn regarding the structures and regarding the economics as well and regarding the geopolitics. All of this, guys, will be covered tomorrow in a special Sunday session. Do not miss it. Okay? How to join, the description and the first comment or the website twitterrevs.com. Anyway, for this one, I hope this is clear. Corrective structure up before the big corrective structure for gold. If you want to buy this one, you should know what to do. And after this upwave, if you get a sell setup, you can go for it because this will be a big corrective structure before the next upwave. Okay. Aussie dollar, same thing. Market went to the upside after a corrective structure. And again, this will continue to the upside after a corrective structure here. So correction up is what I can see next. After that, a big corrective structure will start. You can make money trading this down wave, this up wave, and then this drop as well. How to do that, Alan? You have to join the day live session that is conducted by actually our seniors on a daily basis. We have day live sessions, guys. So for this one, this is what we can see next regarding the forecast and regarding the bias for Aussie dollar. New Zealand dollar for this one, again, market went to the upside after the corrective structure. What's next? Corrective structure, one push up before the next move. This is what we can see. Dollar yen for this one, market is pushing to the upside. This is an expanding flat as well here. Like gold, corrective structure on push up is what we can see next for dollar yen. Okay. Dollar Swiss for this one, market went to the downside. This is a complete corrective structure for us. After this complete regular flat, market is ready to go to the upside, but one more drop is expected here before the next upwave. Okay. So for this one more drop, we got like inside this structure, we're expecting one more fall before the next upwave. Okay. So one more drop is coming here before the next move. Which wave to trade is up to you. For us, we'll focus on the drop and then the buy setup as well after the finishing of this structure to the downside. Okay. Dollar CAD for this one, anytime market can start to push to the upside, either to give us a big corrective structure or to give us an impulsive wave. For this, any buy setup we get, we'll go for it for dollar CAD. Yes, all waiting for market to give us one push up after the completion of the structure, and the market is just reaching this box now, and after that a reaction is expected. Once market will touch this level here, guys, one more drop will be coming before the next move. For USOil, I'm expecting market to go to the downside after the completion of this structure, which we have to trade is up to you, but for now any sell setup we get, we'll go for it to the downside before any next structure. Bitcoin, for this one, market went to the upside after again what happened in US last week. So regarding that, guys, this was not actually a regular flat here. I was expecting one more drop here before the next up wave, but market decided to change the structure to the upside. Is this the start of the bull run? It's a possibility. Is it confirmed? Not yet. Okay, so this might be just a trap again before the next drop, but this is very fast. This is very actually sharp. If we get one push up here and market will stay above these levels and we get a corrective structure, this will be the start of the bull run. Okay, for now, again, this is just the initial move, the initial reaction, and this again was due to what happened in US last week. After this up wave, a corrective structure is expected and then one push up will be coming. After this up wave, if we get a corrective structure here, this will be the start of the bull run. For now, all of this, it might be just a trap till now. Okay, again, for this, if you bought, you must have made money. Great. We are not in yet. We're waiting for market to touch 55k, but we never actually got this level yet. Okay, so for this one, if you bought, congratulations. If not, corrective structure on push up before the next structure. US30 market is correcting here, and after this corrective structure, another up wave is expected. After this one, guys, any buy setup we get, go for it, and this will push to the upside. Guys, Bitcoin, gold, US30, all the assets for the investors, they'll be pushing to the upside if they will continue what they have done. Again, I don't want to get into the details now because I want to keep this privately for our members. It will be covered tomorrow during the Sunday session. Do not miss it. What happened? We might be having a shift in the markets. Do not miss that, guys. Okay, so for this, guys, if you want to know more about the program, you watch this video. Thank you very much, and I see all of you next Saturday. If you are serious about learning how to trade the right way, then this video is for you. Most traders don't fail because of the market. They fail because they lack proper trading education. I'm Alan, trading coach and co-founder of Free Trade Waves, and in the next 3 minutes, I will show you what's included inside WTW Pro, the program that has helped thousands of traders succeed, and how you can be next. Step 1. Start with WTW Basic Course. Even if you think you already know the basics, watch it. Our goal here is simple. Build the foundation. Step 2, go straight into the WTW Masterclass course. This is where the real WTW framework starts. Don't rush it, take notes, pause, rewatch, and ask questions. In this Masterclass course, we'll teach you everything about We Trade Waves wave analysis concept, strategies, exits, entries, risk management, money management, everything. Step 3, the Q&A session recordings. Yes, they are a lot, and yes, it takes time, but listen carefully. This is where I cover the advanced part of We Trade Waves concept. Even you can find the long-term sessions that are covered by T usually at the start of every year. But again, this way traders level up because you hear real questions, real chart situations, real mistakes, and real solutions. If you only do the courses and you skip the Q&A session recordings, you are leaving the pro level on the table. You don't want to do that. Step 4, join the daily live sessions and ask questions. Starting with the Sunday session, every Sunday covered by T. Don't be a silent member. The fastest way for you to improve is to watch live analysis, ask your questions, and get corrected. And also, this is how you will build confidence. This is a mentorship. Use it. Step 5, this is not an overnight flip. Remember, this is not join today, rich tomorrow. Trading is a skill, like a profession. You are building discipline, execution, psychology, and consistency. If you respect the process, the results will follow. Step 6, WTW is not only about trading, it's a complete system. And you are not a signal service anyway. Even if you have the Sunday live sessions and we share the trades of the week, and we have the Wednesday update and the day live sessions, we also teach you about investing, long-term wealth thinking, and how to build financial freedom the smart way. Because the goal is not only to win one trade, the goal is to win in life with money, time, and freedom. And you can achieve that anyway. And finally, step 7, trust the process and follow the roadmap. Basic course, masterclass course, Q&A session recordings, and daily live sessions. If you follow this roadmap, you will be shocked how much clarity you will gain in the next weeks and months. Welcome again to WTW Pro. Now please join the Discord community from the Discord tab on your dashboard, and I'll see you inside.